Hello, my name is Donna, and over the years, I have been an online avatar spokesperson for Villa Star of the Sea Boutique Resort Suites and Spa. In our 10-year tenure we have hosted many people in small groups, as a hotel operator and group retreats, and some of them have chosen us for the privacy we provide, where they can blend in but still be away from the public eye. Our guests have made us who we are today, by reputation and the recognition earned in the boutique resort industry. We have hosted several high-profile guests, been chosen us because we are not mainstream. Our area provides breathtaking landscapes, a sparsely populated 14-kilometer beach, with almost 300 guaranteed days of sun per year, with a temperature that varies by only 10 degrees Fahrenheit between summer and winter, and the most spectacular weather and dramatic sunsets. We initially started as B&B, and then added our 4 apartment suites in 2017, and then our restaurant bar, La Sirena Gordita, in 2019. Every day is a new day, and our 800th guest was as pampered and important to us as our first guest in 2014. As I am speaking, you may have noticed awards flashing across the screen. These are just a few of the awards just this year, as well as other rating groups have done. If you are looking for a small, intimate, adult-only getaway, try us at Villa Star of the Sea Boutique Suites. If booking with a deposit with us directly is a concern to you, we can be found on many of the major hotel sites, who also recommend us highly for hotels on the Costalegre in Mexico. Make Villa Star of the Sea Boutique Suites Resort your next destination to the sun. We hope to see you soon on the Costalegre. Villa Star of the Sea Boutique Suites awaits. Browse our website and see what we have to offer. See why vacationers are choosing the Costalegre on Mexico's west coast. We hope to see you here soon.